In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your subscription or your membership on Claude.ai. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. This is very simple. All you need to do is go to Claude.ai and then log into your account if you haven't done that already. Now go to the bottom left of the screen and right here you will see your profile. So if you click on settings, you will see the billing option, click right there and you will see your current plan. So in my case, I have the Pro plan right now and I'm paying a monthly subscription and this is the date that I will pay again. So this is when it will automatically renew and they will charge me the price of the monthly Pro plan. So if you go to adjust plan right here, you can change your plan, but as you can see, the free option doesn't appear. So in my case, I could get an upgrade to the annual plan or the max plan. But as you can see, there is no option to cancel your membership. So what you need to do is go back. Now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the cancellation option. So if you click on cancel, so as you can see, by canceling the plan, you will lose access to the membership and the features, but you will still keep those until the next renew date, which in my case, it's this one. So now you could choose any option you want for this and then cancel your plan. So if I click right there, now we can go to the top and you will see this new message that says that my subscription will be cancelled on this date, which is basically the renew date. And that's it. Now you don't need to do anything else. If you refresh, you will see how this appears right now. It's a message saying that you have cancelled your subscription and you can resubscribe again if you want to. And that's it. Now you won't be charged on your card anymore. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.